Welcome to the Grammar Mentor channel. Articles in English Grammar. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our deep dive into English grammar, where today we're tackling one of the trickiest yet most essential topics, articles. Whether you're learning English as a second language or brushing up on your grammar, articles like a, an, and the can make or break your sentences. In this video, we'll explore what articles are, how to use them correctly, and common mistakes to avoid. Plus, we'll have tons of examples to make it crystal clear. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. By the end, you'll feel confident using articles in your speaking and writing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a grammar lesson. What are articles? So, what exactly are articles? In English, articles are small words that come before nouns to give more information about them. They tell us whether we're talking about something specific or general. There are three main types of articles. Definite article, the used for specific nouns. Indefinite articles, a and an used for non-specific nouns. Zero article, when no article is used at all. Think of articles as little helpers that clarify whether you're talking about one particular thing or something more general. Let's break them down one by one. The definite article. The definite article is used when we're talking about something specific that both the speaker and the listener or reader can identify. It's like pointing at something and saying that one. Rules for using the specific nouns. Use the when the noun is unique or specific. Example. The sun rises in the east. There's only one sun. Example. I read the book you recommended. A specific book. Previously mentioned. Use the when you've already introduced a noun. Example. I saw a dog. The dog was barking loudly. Now we know which dog. Unique objects. Use the for things that are one of a kind. Example. The moon looks beautiful tonight. Only one moon. Superlatives and ordinals. Use the with superlatives, best, worst, or ordinal numbers, first, second. Example. She's the best singer in the band. Example. This is the third time I've called you. Geographical names. Use the with certain place names, like rivers, oceans, or groups of islands. Example. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Example. I'm visiting the United States next month. Examples and context. Singular. The cat is sleeping on the mat. One specific cat and mat. Plural. The students in my class are very hardworking. A specific group of students. Uncountable. The water in this lake is crystal clear. Specific water in a specific lake. Indefinite articles. A and an. Now let's talk about indefinite articles. A and an. These are used when we're talking about something non-specific or when we introduce a noun for the first time. Rules for using a and an. Non-specific nouns. Use a or an when the noun could be any one of many. Example. I want to buy a car. Any car, not a specific one. Example. She ate an apple. Any apple, not a particular one. Singular, countable nouns. A and an are only used with singular, countable nouns. Example. I saw a bird. Correct, singular and countable. Example. I saw a birds. Incorrect, birds is plural. Example. I drank a water. Incorrect, water is uncountable. A versus an. Use a before consonant sounds and an before vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Example. A dog barked. Consonant sound dot. Example. An elephant is huge. Vowel sound a dot. Watch out for tricky cases. A university starts with a consonant sound. An hour starts with a silent vowel sound ow. Examples and context. I need a pen to write this down. Any pen will do. She's an engineer at a big company. Any engineer, any company. He bought a house last year, and the house is huge. First mention, indefinite. Second mention, definite. Sometimes, we don't use any article at all. This is called the zero article, and it's used with plural or uncountable nouns when we're talking about things in general. Rules for zero article. General plural nouns. No article for plural nouns when speaking generally. Example. Dogs are loyal animals. All dogs in general. Example, I love books. Books in general. Uncountable nouns. No article for uncountable nouns like water, love, or advice when general. Example, water is essential for life. Not the water unless it's specific. Example, happiness is contagious. General concept. Proper nouns. Most proper nouns names don't take articles. Example, I live in London. Not the London. Exception, the United Kingdom, the White House. Meals, sports, and languages. No article for general references. Example, I had breakfast. Not the breakfast. Example, she plays tennis. Not the tennis. Example, he speaks Spanish fluently. Examples and context. Apples are my favorite fruit. General, plural. I enjoy music. Uncountable, general. We visited Paris last summer. Proper noun, no article. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's look at some common mistakes learners make with articles and how to fix them. Overusing the. Incorrect. The life is beautiful. General, uncountable noun. Correct. Life is beautiful. Forgetting articles. Incorrect. I saw dog in park. Missing articles. Correct. I saw a dog in the park. A versus N confusion. Incorrect. She's an engineer. Wrong article for vowel sound. Correct. She's an engineer. Using articles with uncountable nouns. Incorrect. I need an advice. Advice is uncountable. Correct. I need advice or I need some advice. Proper nouns with articles. Incorrect. I'm from the Canada. Correct. I'm from Canada. Practice tip. When writing or speaking, pause and ask. Is the noun specific or general? Is it singular, plural, or uncountable? Does it start with a vowel or consonant sound? And that's it for our deep dive into articles. You've learned about the a, an, and the zero article, plus rules, examples, and common mistakes to avoid. Keep practicing, and soon using articles will feel like second nature. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone learning English. Drop a comment with your own example sentences using articles, and I'll check them out. Want more grammar tips? Check out our channel, The Grammar Mentor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.